y'all, so welcome back to my channel. So let me show you the current situation. We just got back from traveling, so we have stuff literally everywhere. Like, this cart needs to be organized, which has nothing to do with travel, but still, this stuff, suitcases are over here, laundry that needs to be washed, and just stuff is everywhere. And then my husband's taking a nap in the bed, but I'm gonna get all of this cleaned up. I have to go pick my son up from daycare in a few minutes, so I'm gonna try to at least get the clothes out of the suitcases and start a load of laundry possibly, and just kind of tidy up a little. So just wanted to bring y'all along. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up, red subscribe button, and leave any comments down below. Bye.
Listen to them, just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes, it's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes, it's right there. Don't be afraid, be strong, you're not.
Okay, y'all, so poll of the day: when you come back from vacation, do you unpack your suitcases immediately, or do you wait a few days, a week, 2 weeks, until you unpack? It's been almost a week for me, and it was kind of getting out of hand, but I'm just curious. Comment down below.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make him feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days, stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're